In this training video, I will be showing you how to send for signature. Okay, what that means is your property owner, such as Douglas Remington, okay, let's say this was a different name, Oscar Williams. He was just the guy that is the contact name, and he has a different email address, okay, but he's not the one that's going to sign your work authorization form or any of your other forms or certificate of completion form. He's not the one. Douglas Remington is the one, but he lives in a different state from where you're working. You may be in one state but Mr. Remington's in a different state. And you can't start the job until Mr. Remington signs your forms or a completed form. So it's very, very important that this email is filled out. Okay, so because that's where it's going to go, the forms that you select. So we want to get these signatures so you can continue your job or finish the job. So in order to do that, after this has been filled out, you click on this button, Send for Signature. Okay, you click on there. This window pops down. Okay, Send Forms for Signature. So let's say that you want Mr. Remington to sign all of these forms. Well, you could click All, or in this case, I'm going to say I want Mr. Remington to sign the estimate form and I want him to sign the work authorization form. Okay? All right, you can certainly do that. This icon, which is a video icon, it's throughout the whole program. Even for this little window, this video icon will explain to you how this works, so you will never have to worry about training again. Super easy to use this program throughout. Okay, so that's what that's for. So we've selected these two forms that we want to have signed. Click on Send. Okay, that pops down, document successfully sent for signatures to the address of Mr. Remington. Okay, it's successful. Okay. So now, this is what Mr. Remington will see. Okay, this is the other side of it. So I'm Mr. Remington, and I just got this email. ABC Flood Restoration. Here's the claim number, if there was one. Signature request from ABC Flood Restoration. And then this is going to his email. And then that would be reply to ABC Flood Restoration. Okay, so this is the email. Very easy to understand. Okay, again, ABC Flood Restoration. That's your company name. Click on the Sign Document button below. Okay, a new browser page will open. Open each form that is listed on the left sidebar. Read inside it. Sign it at the bottom where your name appears. After signing all forms listed, you can close the page. And then there's a reply, saying thank you, ABC Flood Restoration, your company. Okay, so let's check it out. This is what Mr. Remington is seeing. Okay, and this is pulling up. Okay, and as you can see, here are the two forms that we are asking Mr. Remington to sign. Please click on all forms that appear inside the left sidebar and sign. Okay, well, let me click on this one. I have faith in this company and I am going to sign. This is your contract, which is in another video for work authorization. Okay, but in this case I'm showing you, say you click right here, so this pops down and sign. Click OK. Successful. That comes down. And then this is where you would sign. You could sign, normally you would sign this beforehand. And as you can see, it time and date stamped it, okay, automatically. So now this form is done from your client. Okay, now here's the next one. It's going to be the same thing, but we'll just go through it. Okay, this is the estimate that you sent him. This would be all filled out. It wouldn't be minus 1,000, I'll tell you that. We want big pluses in there, right? Okay, so Mr. Remington is now going to sign this form. I agree to it. I click OK. Signature successfully captured. We are in business. So now The next thing is, you just close out his browser, and then in our case, we're back to the call report. Okay, so again, you want to send forms that need to go out of state for your customer, your client, to be signed because he's not in the state where you are working. That is a fantastic feature. Send it out of the country if you had to, but you can get that signature and you are now ready to go to start that job or to finish the job or release from a liability. That's another great form. You're setting up your equipment and you need that signature from Mr. Remington that he's accepting that your equipment, let's say it's 23 air movers, or let's say it's an air scrubber, it's a dehumidifier, whatever's going in there, and for whatever industry for that matter, you're going to be safe because he signed the release from liability form by sending it with that feature. So very, very powerful tools that are going to help you make money and save money, and you can document everything that you need to document to stay organized and, cross all your T's and dot all your I's and protect yourself. So that's in there for you as well. To your success, and thank you for watching.